Hi, boys and girls. Today's story is called Three Little Kittens. Three little kittens, they lost their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear. They're lost, we don't know why. What? Lost your mittens? You naughty kittens, then you shall have no pie. Meow, 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 no, you shall have no pie. The three little kittens, they found their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, see here, we found them all close by. Put on your mittens, you silly kittens, and you shall have some pie. Purr, 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 oh, you shall have some pie. Three little kittens put on their mittens and ate the pie up quick. Oh, mother dear, we greatly fear our mittens are starting to stick. What? Sticky mittens? You naughty kittens. Then she began to sigh. Meow, meow, meow. Then she began to sigh. The three little kittens, they washed their mittens as clean as they could get. Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens are all wet. Wet little mittens, you silly kittens, just hang them out to dry. Meow, meow, meow. Now hang them out to dry. Three little kittens with clean dry mittens shout as they lay down to rest. Oh, mother dear, see here, we think you are the best. You silly kittens, asleep in your mittens, the best for me is you. Meow, 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 the best for me is you.